Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. Because today on Thursday we have no extra Sudokus, no extra puzzles, only one regular Sudoku. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. We have two puzzles left, the Two Stars Sudoku and a tectonic with one star. First I will solve this one, a Two Stars Sudoku. And this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. Let me write it down, yes. And this will be number 3569. 26 printed digits. And for Two Stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about the number? Well, we have a pair, I see. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So no row between. The only two places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. That means the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here. The only place for the 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Yeah. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column? So the column next, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. One box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. And then we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Two numbers are left in this column. The 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 8. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 could be here or there. And the 3 could be everywhere. So 1 digit left in the middle column. 2, 3, 8. 5, 6, 4. 1, 9. So the number, I believe 7. Yeah, 7 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 7 in this first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So on that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Okay. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in the third row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 are missing. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. The 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. No. How about the 9 in the last column? The 9 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Yeah. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Then 2, 5, 8, 4, and the 1. Alright. The 8 should be here. 8, the 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We share 3, no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. So the only place for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 8 and the 5. We see there an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. Double check. And 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the 7 and the 3. The other 2 numbers are the 1 is missing. 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 numbers in this row. Also 1 and a 4. 1 and the 4 are missing. And look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 and 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Alright. How about 1 and 4. These 2 numbers, the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the third row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. 1 box left in this row for the number, the second row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, and the 3 are missing. 2 and the 3, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 and it's missing, and the 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this last row. 2 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great. 2 Stars Sudoku. Faster than the 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.